Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Personal Blender is probably one of the most indispensable kitchen gadgets for anyone seeking a quick, healthy lifestyle, offering unparalleled convenience for whipping up smoothies, shakes, and even sauces on the go, making it an essential tool for busy mornings or post-workout fuel without the hassle of a bulky, full-sized appliance. Number 5. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Meet the powerful MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. It features a 500W heavy-duty motor and 8-speed turbo setting, complete with essential attachments. This versatile tool is designed to simplify your kitchen tasks. Say goodbye to lumpy chunks. This slim yet powerful immersion blender allows you to mix, blend, whisk, and froth quickly. It includes detachable accessories for smoothies, whipped cream, and even beaten eggs. It comes with 3 easy attachments. Use the stainless steel blending shaft for shakes, soups, or baby food. The frother is perfect for all milk types, and the whisk handles cream or batter effortlessly. Need extra power? Simply activate turbo mode. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures comfortable use, while the blade housing is designed to reduce splashes. Using it is incredibly simple. Just add an attachment, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend, adjusting the speed as needed. Refer to the included instructions for more details. Cleaning up is a breeze. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother are all conveniently dishwasher safe. This makes post-cooking tidying quick and hassle-free. What we like. This versatile immersion blender offers exceptional flexibility for various kitchen tasks. Its multiple attachments, including a whisk and frother, make it perfect for more than just blending. If you love making frothy coffees, whipping cream, or blending soups directly in the pot, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Number 4. Nutribullet Personal Blender NBR 0601WM. Taking the first step towards a healthier lifestyle has never been easier. This personal blender provides everything you need to begin your wellness journey today. It's designed to help you achieve your health goals effortlessly. Effortlessly transform fruits, vegetables, and liquids into delicious, nutritious smoothies. It quickly delivers essential nutrients to your body, making healthy eating simple and enjoyable. You'll get your daily dose of goodness in no time. With its robust 600-watt motor, this device can turn even tough ingredients like spinach into perfectly smooth, sippable nutrition. Its power ensures consistent results every time you blend. Experience the difference a strong motor makes. Its simple and intuitive design makes it a joy to use daily. Just push, twist, and blend for quick and easy preparation. This essential design ensures hassle-free operation for everyone. Cleaning is incredibly easy, simply twist off the blades and rinse them with soap and water. The cups are also top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy health benefits without the usual kitchen hassle. This complete package includes a 600W motor base, an extractor blade, a 24-ounce cup, a to-go lid, a lip ring, and a recipe book. It provides everything for convenient blending and portability, right out of the box. You're ready to blend on the go. What we like. This original personal blender is designed for a healthier lifestyle with minimal effort. Its powerful motor effortlessly transforms fruits and vegetables into nutritious, smooth drinks. If you're looking for a simple, intuitive device to quickly create daily nutrient-rich smoothies, this one is perfect. What people say. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews found in the source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. GE 5-Speed Blender with Cups. This versatile 1000-watt blender delivers the performance you need for all your kitchen essentials. It effortlessly crushes ice, purees frozen fruit, and blends sauces, soups, and frappé drinks. Prepare large batches with ease using its extra-large 64-ounce Tritan jar. This convenient feature allows you to make up to 7 to 9 servings of your favorite frozen drinks and smoothies, saving you time. Designed with 6 serrated and 2 knife-edge blades, it breaks down ingredients effortlessly. This ensures maximum flavor and nutrition are released for delicious, high-quality blended drinks every time. Experience turbo blending action thanks to its powerful vortex technology. It creates a vacuum at the center of the jar, pulling all ingredients towards the middle for consistently smooth results. Skip the excess cleanup with 2 included 16-ounce blender cups. You can go straight from blending to drinking without missing a beat, making your busy mornings much easier. What we like. This powerful blender boasts a 1000-watt motor, capable of handling tough ingredients with ease. Its large 64-ounce jar is perfect for preparing big batches, and it comes with 2 additional blender cups. If you frequently make large quantities for family or friends, or need to crush ice and frozen fruit regularly, this robust blender is your go-to. What people say. The G8 Casp's personal blender features a powerful motor for efficient blending of various ingredients. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for single servings and on-the-go use. Number 2. Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro with AutoIQ BN401. Experience unparalleled blending performance. Its 1100 peak watt motor effortlessly tackles the toughest ingredients, transforming ice into snow in seconds. Enjoy perfectly creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, and sauces every time. Simplify your blending with AutoIQ one-touch presets. 2 intelligent programs combine unique pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. Achieve perfect smoothies and crushed ice without any guesswork. Its Pro Extractor Blades assembly is designed to unlock vital nutrition. It breaks down whole fruits and vegetables, including often discarded portions. This ensures you get vitamin and nutrient-rich drinks with every blend. Enjoy ultimate on-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 24 ounces single-serve cup, then simply attach the spout lid. Take your healthy creations with you to work, the gym, or wherever your day takes you. Designed for any kitchen, it boasts a compact countertop fit. With intuitive, easy-to-use controls, you can attach the cup and start blending in mere seconds. Cleanup is also a breeze, as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. Get started right away with the included 20-recipe inspiration guide. Discover easy-to-prepare smoothies, sauces, and dips. It's perfect for everyday meal prep and exploring new culinary delights. What we like. This blender offers powerful 1100 peak watt performance combined with smart AutoIQ technology. Its Pro Extractor Blades unlock maximum nutrition, and the included to-go cups make portability a breeze. If you value intelligent blending programs for consistent results and need a powerful device that supports your active, on-the-go lifestyle, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Epica Personal Blender with Take-Along Bottle. No need to give in to temptation while you're out on the road. Simply mix up a delicious fruit or veggie smoothie or protein drink at home and take it with you. Its convenient 20-ounce to-go mug comes with a sealable lid. You don't have to worry about your drink spilling in your bag or your car. A 300-watt motor and heavy-duty stainless steel blades ensure anything you put in it gets pulverized. Make your own purees, soups, cocktails, dips, and sauces with ease. This lightweight bottle fits most car cup holders and resists cold and heat. It's also completely dishwasher safe for easy care. It is built to last, but if you don't absolutely love it, you're covered for 2 full years. Take it with you to the gym or on your commute. What we like. This personal blender is designed for ultimate convenience and portability. It comes with a durable take-along bottle, making it incredibly easy to blend and go. If you are always on the move and need a simple, compact solution for quick, healthy drinks to take to the gym or work, this is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.